Hey guys, welcome to Easy Linux, where we make Linux easy. Today we're going to learn how to install a PPA. Now you might be asking, what is a PPA? PPA is short for Personal Package Archive. And what this basically allows you to do in Ubuntu and Debian Linux, it allows you to add either more up-to-date software for packages that might already be in the existing repositories, or even certain up-to-date drivers for graphics, network, anything like that. It's a very, very important thing to know how to use, because there might be something that you might have to add to make your machine work if you decide to use this on full hardware. So what you're going to do today is we're going to install the Atom text editor through a PPA. So in your virtual machine, you're going to go to this link, which I provide in the description, as always. You're going to have to open up your console. I already have this pre-opened. So what you're going to do is copy this part right here. And what the sudo adapt repository command does is it says, hey, I have this PPA and I want to add it to the source files list. The source files list holds all your software information, all your software repositories. So you're going to press enter. It's going to ask for your password, so as always, put in your password. So this is going to give you basically a brief description of what you're about to install. So if you want to install it, click enter, which I recommend doing that because as part of the video it's an exercise to show you how to do this. So as you can see now, it's imported the PGP keys or GPG keys, my apologies, and it basically has added the repository. But the repository is added, but you cannot install the software just yet. So what you have to do now is type sudo apt update, and that command will just update your repository list. And while that updates, I will be right back. Hey guys, I'm back, and so now you have that repository is updated. What you're going to do is type sudo apt install atom, A-T-O-M, and you're going to press enter. It's going to tell you, everything that needs to be installed. You're going to press Y, and then you're going to press enter again. And that's going to install, and I will be right back again. Hey guys, I'm back, and now that you have sat there and wait, or went and got a coffee or whatever, basically what I'm trying to say is that now that Atom has installed, you can close your terminal. So now you're going to click your little start button here. You are going to go to development. You're going to click that. And what it should do, let me just close this Firefox window. Give it a little bit of time to load, and it should pull up Atom now. So what we're going to do is, yours might look a little bit different. I've had some issues recording, so I've done this over and over again. I've been working on this for about 3 hours now. What I want you to do is go to choose a theme. To me, this is the most aesthetically pleasing way to make Atom look. If you don't like it that way, you can go in and change whichever way. And if you guys would like, I could do a recording on my actual operating system outside my virtual machine and show you, what I use, like extension-wise for Atom, because Atom's very similar to Sublime. You can add extensions and all that other stuff if you're familiar with text editors. Anyways, I digress. You open the theme picker. For your UI theme, you're going to want to choose Atom Dark, and then for your syntax theme, choose Atom Dark also. So we're going to close all these out. So this is Atom text editor, so you can basically put anything you want to, text edit. It's like a Swiss Army knife, if you will, of text editors. You can do Python, C programming, HTML, things like that. That's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. Share the video if you found it helpful and you want to help other people. Also, I plan on maybe making a Twitter and Discord page if you guys all want. If you guys would all like that, leave comments below. Other than that, thank you for watching.